Make a great choice today with the 2014 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.